Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about pumpkins and the power behind them. Not pumpkin spice, but the real stuff. Be sure to stick around to the end of our video because I will be sharing with you 2 fast recipes that you can start using today. They're absolutely delicious. So pumpkins are from the curcubita family. Their seeds and oil deliver hormone-supporting healthy fats, antioxidant-rich vitamin E, so important. We did a video on that recently with Miss Judy. Heart-healthy carotenoids, which are antioxidants for our cardiovascular health. Cholesterol-balancing plant sterols, or phytosterols, they're sometimes called, plus top minerals that we all need like zinc and magnesium. Now in Styria, Austria, a special pumpkin variety was developed in the 1800s. It produces a seed without a shell. These are deep green seeds and they are perfect for pressing. You actually get more oil from these seeds than from the conventional ones. The locals there call this oil green gold, and rightfully so. You always want to look for this cold-pressed Styrian type of oil when possible. That way you're getting authentic regional production. What you can expect from this delicious oil is a roasty, nutty aroma and that signature emerald color from chlorophyll. This is the plant pigment that supports healthy blood quality. So we love chlorophyll for that. So now we're gonna discuss the raw seeds, the seeds, and the powder. So raw seeds, they're called pepitas. They are nutrient dense. So these seeds have protein, fiber, and different key minerals. But the seed walls can be tough to digest for some people. So pumpkin seed powder is much easier on our digestion. Grinding them breaks down the seed walls so you and I can access fats and protein more efficiently. So the way I use these seeds, and you can too, is for a crunch. So things like salads, putting them on yogurt, bowls and soups. Powder for the smoothies, and also you can put the powder in your oat bran or oatmeal and your different gluten-free or grain-free type of pancakes and more. Now, if you need more magnesium and more zinc, pumpkin seeds are actually the top source of both. If digestion is a concern for you, the powder actually gives you more protein without the crunch and easier on the gut. Pumpkin seed oil, on the other hand, this is the star of the show. This oil is packed with essential fatty acids, which include oleic and linoleic acids, vitamin E, carotenoids, and phytosterols. This profile supports a healthy cholesterol balance and vascular function. It's often featured for men's urinary and prostate comfort and general bladder or urinary support, but studies also show it can support the uterus in women as well. Much of the research actually points to supporting the body's healthy inflammatory balance and antioxidant support. Pumpkin is a pure superfood, and it's a perfect example of food as medicine. Here's how you can use the oil. Don't fry with it. That's something you don't want to do. Use it as a finishing oil. You can drizzle this on salads, hard-boiled eggs, which I highly recommend, soups, and roasted veggies. And yes, even on vanilla ice cream. My wife and I recently tried this. Austrians absolutely love it and they swear by it. Just make sure it's a good A2 raw milk or low sugar type of non-dairy ice cream so you're not overindulging and getting extra sugars. Better yet, make the ice cream at home. There's some amazing recipes on the internet. Next, I'm gonna give you 2 quick recipes you're going to love. So recipe number 1 is our 60-second Styrian vinaigrette. In a small bowl, you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed oil, ours is called pumpkinol, and then take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, something else that we offer for you guys. Pinch of salt with that and pepper, and you can whisk the vinegar, the mustard, the honey, the spices, and slowly stream this into an emulsified oil. And from here, you can use it on lettuce, potato salad, roasted roots, whatever you like. The next recipe is a smoothie that incorporates the protein from the pumpkin seed powder. Our pumpkin seed powder is called Purely Zinc. And so what you do is blend 1 cup of your favorite milk along with 1 frozen banana, 1/2 cup of frozen organic berries, 2 tablespoons of roasted pumpkin seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and if you like, a touch of honey or date syrup. This creates a creamy, protein-rich, easier on digestion smoothie you cannot beat. So now this is your turn. Which team are you on? Team seeds, team powder, or team oil? Drop your pick in the comments. If you got value from this video, here's what you can do. It really helps us out. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and share this with a friend who loves functional superfoods as much as you and I do. Both the vinaigrette and the smoothie recipes will also be in the description for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.